Okay, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, welcome to Numeracy class today. I'm really glad to see you, the participant, and thank you for joining. Today we will learn step by step how to solve the numeracy problem faster and easier. We will participate the calculation. We are practicing the calculation percentage and real test style question to help you prepare to Wpln numeracy test. A reminder, don't be shy to ask question and stay focused throughout session. Let's learn together, support each other. All right, we can make it positive attitude. All right, any question? Any question? we excuse. Okay, Astaghfirullah. Okay, mean median mode. Okay, everybody know the formula of the mean median mode. মেইন মিডিয়ান মোড কি আপনারা বুঝেন না বুঝেন না? মাইক অন করেন, কথা বলেন। মেইন
জি ভাই বুঝি।
ওকে
জি বুঝি বুঝি ভাই।
okay, okay, just I simply explain here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 other than how আপনারা বুঝেন মেইন মিডিয়ান মোড কি? অন্য দুইজন? ওকে, mean is more average, more mean is average, median is center value, and mode is most often. Okay, so if mean median mode come in, find out the answer this way. Okay, average, center value, and then most often. Okay, so this question coming on of the, I just write here the answer on. Okay, mean is 80, median 79, mode 83 and 83. Okay, then the second question is a laptop by 440 after 55% discount. What is the original price? Okay, if have the calculator is, the formula is when asking for the original price, you should divide it, division as usual division. So 445 divided with 45, 0.45. So $980.88. Okay, this is the one question. Okay, this question, any doubt, anything of this?
No doubt, no doubt.
No doubt. Okay, good. Then 17 ticket on winner. Okay, asking for the 17 ticket. Then 17 ticket on winner is you no need to take a screenshot or anything. I recording on this class, then later I will upload inside the YouTube, so you can find the details inside the YouTube. So 100 divided by 17, 5.88. Okay, then another question, this question have the below also. Okay, $105, 20% discount. Question is how much save? When asking for the save, it should be multiplication. Okay, so 1.05 multiplied by 0.80, so 84 cent saves. Okay, this type of on question coming, they are showing the three option A, B, C and D. Okay, so three option asking for which resources will be less cost. So there is they are showing the mygarden.com 114.75. Okay, uh, Marina Bay 3 building. Okay, this type of the one of the question coming. Okay, this question asking square meter. Okay, how many jar? How many jar will Mohoshen? Okay, this question coming the simply very 12 divided by 5. So 12 divided by 5. So how many times go? 2 times 10. Then balance is 2. যদি 5-এর সাথে না যায় 2-এর সাথে যায় না। ওকে, সো এখানে আপনার একটা শূন্য বসাবো। তো 4 × 5 = 20, 4 বার। যেহেতু একটা শূন্য বসাইছেন এখানে আপনার দশমিক হবে। পরের কোশ্চেনটা আপনার সেম। পরের কোশ্চেনটা এভাবে একটা কোশ্চেন আসে আপনার সহজ সহজ ভাগ, ইজি ডিভিশন। সো ইজি ডিভিশন ডু লাইক দিস। Okay, next question is asking Fahrenheit to Celsius. Question coming, how to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, so how to convert? Any idea? Okay, let's say,
Yeah.
okay, share please.
ফরেনহাইট থেকে এটা ফর্মুলাটা হয়েছে ওই যে যেহেতু ফর্মুলা দিয়ে দিছে, ওখানে হয়েছে আর কি এফ ইজ ইকুয়াল টু আমাদের যেটা দিয়া থাকে, যদি ফরেনহাইট মনে করেন 70 দেওয়া থাকে, তাহলে ওই এফ এর জায়গায় ওই যে মানে ফরেনহাইট টেক তো দেওয়া থাকবে।
Okay,
তাহলে যদি
let's say example as example 70 is Fahrenheit. Okay, 17
ওকে,
Fahrenheit with subtraction always 32. 32 is exact value, never change. Okay, this one 32. Say let's say 32 subtraction করলে after that 38. Okay, 38. So 38 multiply by 5. Then now the
ইয়েস রাইট।
question is why multiply with the 5? Because Fahrenheit allows 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we convert to Fahrenheit to Celsius, right? So 100 degree Celsius. So 38 multiplied by 5. How many? How many? 190. 190. 190. So divided with the 9. Divided with the 9. If we divide it with the 9, how many come?
38।
38. So we check 190 divided with 9. No, 21.21. 21.11.
নো নো নো, ইকবাল ভাই, ইকবাল ভাই,
Okay. Uh-huh.
ইকবাল ইকবাল ভাই 38 আসে, 38। 45 আর 200 না, 40 যদি আমি 5 দিয়ে গুণ করি, তাহলে 45 আর 200, 200 থেকে আমার 10 কম, 190। 190 ডিভাইডেড বাই 9, হ্যাঁ 190, 190 হয় না,
190 divided by 9.
5
21.11. 21.1.
কোনটা?
21 point, 21.1 and not 38.
না, আবার আবার দেন দে।
Okay.
হুম।
Okay, so the why 9 and why 5 question is there. Why 9 and why 5? So we remember this formula. When asking Fahrenheit to Celsius, this on the degrees 100 degrees Celsius, and this one 20 times 100, correct? So is 5. Then 180. 180, if we divided 180 degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit, so equals 9. So we use the calculator. 180 divided by 9, so 20, right? That's why when asking the question Fahrenheit convert to the Celsius, As usual, always we sustain. 32 is sustain. So we have to subtract with the who is value give, who is value provide. Might be 70, 80, 90 or 100, whatever. So we first of all we have to 32 subtraction by 32. We subtraction multiply with 5. So multiply with the 5. 5 multiply divided with the 9. So come in 21.1. So this is the result. Okay. Any doubt of this explanation? Any doubt? No doubt.
No doubt, no doubt.
Can go ahead. Okay. Okay, but some the basic is thing original price. When asking for the original price, always division. How many percent if showing the how many percentage already, how many percent is showing also division. How much save also division. Okay. So if asking the question should be answered like this. Okay, this the question is coming. This question always coming. Okay, this question are coming, but problem is we can't guess this question is this question because of what because of the change. The changes the story. The changes the sentence. That's why we can recognize is this question. But this question. So this question asking now we need to mixer flour containing 25 bread flour and 75 cake flour. She has 2 kg of bread flour and cake mixer flour containing 18% bread flour. How many more kg of bread flour and cake flour mixer with 30% bread flour must be added obtaining mixer 25%. So we see the comparing with the mixer containing 18% and containing 25%. So 25% and 18% we compare with 7%. Okay, we subtraction 7% and 30 and 25 we subtraction. If we do the subtraction is 5. So 5 and 7. We are asking for 2 kg here, right? So multiply with the 2 kg is 14. So 14 divided with the 5. So if we divide it with the 14 with the 5, let's say here do the rough. Okay, so 10. 5 times 2 is 10. Then balance is 40. So 5 times 4 need to add on 0. Okay, now 5 multiply with the 40. 5. 8. 5 times 8 is 40. So 5 times 8. We added here 0, right? So here should be on decimal point. So 2.8 kg. So this question when asking, you should be clever. Should be clever. Same question, alternative way to asking. Okay, alternative way to show up. So answer should be same. And the formula also the same. Okay, this question, who understand this question? Anybody can explain this question?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
can.
please. What should we do? What asking
Okay.
inside the question?
The question asking lowest to highest unit price. So
Yes.
there is a three chemical hand sanitizer or something like that. So
Okay.
they said the 50 ml for $3 20 cent. The other one is the 80 ml for $4.29, and 521 ml for $29.25. So the question is say which is the lowest price. So we need to make a sequence, the lowest price to highest price.
Yes, correct.
So let's say we one by one we calculate. Let's say
Okay.
3.2
Okay.
divided by 50, because the
Okay.
50 ml. So we need to understand 1 ml how much.
Okay.
So yeah, this one is the 80.
Okay, okay. Other than learner got the point. What he say? Okay, we should divide it this way. After that, we see who is on the small value. We need to write first top, then second value is on the medium value writing center, then next value is writing third. Understand? So you practicing yourself to adjust. Answer is Q R P. Okay, clear? Because I make it bit short because if I go explain all the details, then never finish the all. We cannot finish the all note. All right.
ওকে ইকবাল ভাই এক মিনিট এক মিনিট।
Yes, yes.
এটাই আপনার যেমন আপনার 3 পয়েন্ট ডিভাইডেড বাই 50, তো আমরা অলমোস্ট সবসময় জানি যে বড় সংখ্যা দিয়ে ছোট টাকা ভাগ হয়, এখানে উল্টা হওয়ার কারণ নাকি?
এইটা উল্টা হওয়ার কারণ হয়েছে গিয়া এইটা, কারণ এইটা হয়েছে কোয়ান্টিটি, আর here asking arrange the sanitizing from lowest to highest price already showing price. Okay, then now the quantity we need to price already showing, that's why we need to price writing first after the quantity. Okay, just the changes if come in this question, just remember price go first, after that quantity go second.
না,
Okay.
এখানে উত্তরটা হয়েছে আরেকটু ভাবে ইকবাল ভাই, জাস্ট আমি আপনার একটু সাহায্য করি
Hmm.
এটার ব্যাপারে।
Okay, okay.
যে বাংলাদেশে উনি বলছে ভাই, এখানে বলতেছে যে মানে কোন স্যানিটাইজারটা আর কি দাম সবচেয়ে সস্তা, সস্তার থেকে দামি জিনিসটা সাজাইতে হবে। তো এখন আমাদের দেখতে হবে 50 ml এর দাম হইছে 3 টাকা 20 পয়সা, তাহলে আমাকে 1 ml এর দাম কত? যদি 1 ml এর দামটা যদি আমরা পাই, এর লেগে আর কি 1 ml বের করার জন্য ওই যে 32 মানে 3.20 আর কি, এটা ডিভাইডেড করলে এক এক ml এর দাম পড়বো। যখন আমরা এক ml এর দাম বের করব, তারপর দ্বিতীয়টা ওই যে 80 দিয়ে ভাগ দিলে 1 ml এর দাম পাবো। আবার
Yes.
নিচেরটাও 1 ml এর দাম পাবো। যখন আমরা 1 ml এর দামটা জানি না যে প্রথম সংখ্যাটা কত, তাহলে দেখলেই তো আমরা বুঝতে পারবো যে এই সংখ্যাটা বড়, এই সংখ্যাটা ছোট। তার মানে প্রাইসটা আর কি ওইভাবে আসছে।
Okay, nice explanation, thank you.
আমার মনে হয় এখানে মেইন পয়েন্টটা হচ্ছে ওই ইউনিট প্রাইস। ইউনিট প্রাইস সেটা আমরা মাঝে মধ্যে যদি আমরা কোনো মালামাল কিনি, সেখানে টোটাল অ্যামাউন্ট এত, আর ইউনিট প্রাইস এত। ইউনিট প্রাইস বলতে এখানে মানে হতে পারে একটা দাম কত, তার 10টা কেজি এত টাকা। তো সেক্ষেত্রে এখানে ইউনিট প্রাইস যেহেতু, তাহলে আমাকে সেজন্য ভাগটা করতে হবে আর কি, যে আসলে এক মিনিট কত টাকা। যদি ইউনিট লেখা না থাকতো তাহলে তো আর একটু সহজ হতো।
Okay, okay. Whatever lah. You just remember one thing only. When asking this question exactly coming the same. Okay, nothing difference. So you have to use your idea to remember. Iqbal by explain to you. You write the price first. After that, you writing the quantity. So you checking who is on smaller go to the top. Then follow the sequence until big one is the last third one. Okay, there's the easy way we, if really we encounter of the question, why coming this, why coming that, is exactly you can don't have the always that satisfy answer, eh? Okay, so next question. The concert start 7:30. Charlie has to take the bus change to another bus to concert hall. The first bus ride take 20 minutes and second takes 25 minutes. He want to reach the concert hall to 7:15. If the time is just 10 minutes, was the time, what time does he have to take the first bus? So is the longer story. Okay, his grandfather story. Okay, whatever. So here these are the main key points we need to understand. He want to reach. Whenever the question come in, you find the reach time. So reach time the 7:15. So this time you understand you need to wait for each bus 10 minutes and 10 minutes. So 20 minutes. After that, add up 25 minutes, then add up that 20 minutes, together 65 minutes coming. So we can't find that time is here. He want to reach the concert hall 7:15. So what time, question asking what time does he have to take the first bus? So you go from the 7:15, go back from the 7:15, can find the answer ready. Okay, let's say example 7:15 difference 1 hours 65 minutes. We find the 65 minutes total, right? So you go back behind reverse is 6:15 and another 5 minutes. So subtracts another 5 minutes. Answer is 6:10. 6:10. Okay, this type of question many coming. Okay, every set have this type of question. So this type of question, similar question coming for every set. Difference, asking difference timing, asking difference time. Okay, then also coming together something like this. One person left home. Okay, a cinema start 7:30. So the one person start what time, the two-person, they mentioned the two-person. Okay, this two-person what time need to leave from the home? They are showing the distance only. So similar question coming. So this question you more focus on than another, the similar question coming is you easy answer for it. And also if you lucky, you might answer, you can face the exact same answer, same question. Okay, then this question, given the regular. Okay, anybody know this question can explain? Anybody understand this question can explain? If I know wrong, I explain you before.
Yeah, Iqbal bhai, I can do it.
Please go ahead. Bismillah.
আমি এইমাত্র দেখলাম যে আমাদের এখানে সবাই আর কি বাংলাদেশি, তাহলে আমরা
Okay,
আমাদের
listen,
নিজস্ব
this one Bangladeshi, no Bangladeshi, you give. Okay,
It's okay, no problem. I can
আপনি
explain, no problem, because
আপনি
we need
আপনি
to.
listen, আপনি পরীক্ষা দিতে যাইবেন ইংলিশ, তাই না? ওই জায়গায় ইংলিশ না, আপনার লাগে কি বাংলার কোনো অপশন আছে? নাইগা। আর আমি এই জন্য ইংলিশে বলতে আছি যে এই ক্লাসটা আমার রেকর্ডটা আমি তো আপনার পরে আপলোড দেব, ঠিক আছে? আপনার কথাগুলোও থাকবে ভিতরে, বুঝতে পারছেন? তো আরেকটা যদি অন্য ন্যাশনালিটির যদি কেউ দেখে যারা বাংলা না জানে, একজন সিঙ্গাপুরিয়ান হইতে পারে, একজন ইন্ডিয়ান হইতে পারে, তখন তারাও এই আমাদের এক্সপ্লেনেশনটা ওরা বুঝতে পারবে। এই জন্যই আর কি, ঠিক আছে? অন্য কোনো ইয়া না, কারণ আমারে অলরেডি রিকোয়েস্ট করছে ভাই ইংলিশে করে দেন, আমি তো বাংলা বুঝতেছে না, ঠিক আছে? আমি তো পরে ঠিক আছে, আমার যদি নেক্সট সেশন আমি করি, আমি প্ল্যান করছি এভাবে যে, তা আপনি যতটুকু পারেন বলেন, সমস্যা নাই, এটা আপনার লাগা।
Yeah, it's
আমি
okay, Iqbal bhai. So, thank you for your explain, because I do know about your concept. That's why I asking that we can took it Bengali language. So it's okay, no problem. So for our another audience, if who want to see the video, then they can see it. Okay. So come to the question. So the question says that given a regular dice with a side labeled 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot, roll it once. Which of the following outcome have a probability of one third? So the question is asking if the dice we are one time we throw like let's say, so what is the probability coming, what is the percentage can coming. So this is one third, meaning is there is the six dice. So is the fully is 1/6 is the full digit la. So here is the half digit only. So half digit is one third. So let's say if I the half digit, so what is the probability? So is the answer should be having two or below. I mean,
Okay, got it. Okay, question asking the following the outcomes. So following outcomes and 1 to 6 and the probability of one third. So this is the question asking how come possible to become one third. So if ODD number here mentioned, ODD number is 2, 3, 6 is more than one third. Okay, then even number asking 1, 3, 5, more than one third. Having two or more, starting from the 2 is more, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this 3 question totally make the doubt. So similar is having 2 or below. Let's say 2 below is on. Okay, here have the 1, don't have the 3 is okay, but having 2 or below is similar. The probability is one third is having 2 or below. Okay, next question. Would you describe how would you describe the chances to obtaining 3 when dice is rolled? Question is obtaining, meaning to say is probability high or sure come, something like this. So when your dice is rolled, is impossible to come to 3. Okay, impossible to come to 3. So here answer is already impossible because dice is rolled. You cannot, how to say, uh, you cannot do the প্রিডাকশন কেন ভবিষ্যৎবাণী করতে পারবে না, ঠিক আছে? যখন একটা এই জন্য যে এইখানে বলছে একটা ভবিষ্যৎবাণীর কথা, এই জন্য ডাইস, when dice is rolled. So how would you describe the chance to obtaining 3 when your dice is rolled? So answer is impossible obtaining come 3. Okay, next question asking,
Iqbal bhai, can you go the reverse question? See one more time.
okay, unlikely is টোটালি সম্ভাবনা নাই 3 আসতে পারে, লাইকলি এর সম্ভাবনা আছে, ইম্পসিবল ইজ অসম্ভব, and সার্টেন ইজ নিশ্চিত।
Okay, the impossible কেন হইলো? এটা তো মনে করেন পসিবলও তো আসতে পারে। একবার যে মানে আমি যদি ডাইসটা দেই তাহলে তো 3বারে তো আমার তো একবার আসতে পারে, তাহলে তো মানে ইম্পসিবল যেটা একেবারে অসম্ভব, কিন্তু আমার তো 6বারের ভিতর একবার বা 10বারের ভিতর একবার তো আসতে পারে। অবটেন মানে অর্জন করা। সো হাউ উড উই কি ডিসক্রাইব দ্য চান্স অফ দ্য অবটেন এ থার্ড when one's dice is rolled? সো এটা এটা আমার কাছে মনে হয় যে আনলাইকলি হবে, কারণ খুবই অল্প সম্ভাবনা আর কি। ইম্পসিবল যে জিনিসটা দেখা যাচ্ছে যে আমরা খেলাইতেছিলাম লুডুর গুটিটা আর কি বাইরা পড়ে গেছে, তার মানে ওটা ক্যান্সেল। তো এখানে ওরকম কোনো সম্ভাবনা নাই। ইম্পসিবল যেটা একেবারে কখনোই সম্ভব না। আর সার্টেনেরটা হইছে 100% আসবেই, তার মানে ইম্পসিবলও কোনো অ্যান্সারের ভিতরে যাইতে আছে না, সার্টেনও যাইতে আছে না। সো উই অনলি হ্যাভ টু অপশন, লাইকলি মিনিং 50% and above, unlikely meaning is like very rare to come.
Okay, so what you prefer to your answer?
Unlikely, because this is like not totally cannot say impossible. This is out of 6, let's say not 6 time coming, maybe I 10 time roll, maybe 1 time come, maybe 20 time roll, still is chance to 2% or 3%, but it still come. Maybe for if very very lucky, maybe 1 time I roll, maybe 3 coming, I mean the 3 dots come, meaning so this is cannot be impossible. My thought, my opinion, I don't know.
Okay.
Later we will be analyze about it.
Okay. uh okay, I'll revise this question. uh Revise this question. Revise this question is unlikely. Answer should be unlikely. Okay, so not impossible, unlikely. Unlikely meaning to say that is near impossible, unlikely, অসম্ভব, ঠিক আছে? Okay, answer is unlikely, here not impossible, unlikely. No likely. Because why? Obtaining meaning to say chance to come three. Chance to the come three. Asking when on dice is rolled. There is on time. Not 3 times, not 4 times, not 5 times. Only asking when dice is rolled. Meaning to say only one time you have chance to roll the dice. So what should become? Unlikely. সম্ভাবনা নাই। ঠিক আছে, অ্যান্সার হয়েছে এটা। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ ব্রো ফর ইয়োর
No, it's okay.
attention.
We are collaborate because we are just because I also do know many things like that. So I also need to learning. So I can share my experience and my thought only. Then I'm also might be wrong.
Okay, this question coming. Okay, who understand this question? Surface area of sphere with radius 9. So how you explain of this? Anybody idea of this surface area
Yeah,
of
we need to follow the formula. Surface area of sphere is the 4 pi r square, right? 4 pi.
okay, here
Yeah,
formula
4 pi
is
r.
4
4 pi r.
4 pi
multiplied
r square.
r square multiplied by pi. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, so the question, the 4 is fourth side. This is the fourth side. 4 multiply r square. The radius is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 multiply by pi value is 3.4. So 1070. 1017. 1017.36. 36 answer. Okay, so based on formula. Okay, any question of this surface of area? Surface area of sphere? Okay, if no question, we go to the next. Okay, this the wall. This the wall. The question is 2020, 2025, the latest. Okay, so later on, after this class, anybody miss out, or you might able to see on the YouTube. Okay, so I have to upload the YouTube, so you can see there. You don't need to busy to take here screenshot. Okay, so very easy. I make it very easy for you. Okay, 38% MRT follow 20% of 38%. MRT follow total is person is 38. MRT follow 20%. How many person follow MRT? Okay, so person already here mentioned 20%. So 20%, 38 divided by 0.20. So, oh, sorry, 38. Sorry, many, how many? Multiplication. When asking how many should be multiplication, 7.6 meaning to say 8%. Okay. Then another question, Rajesh roll dice is 1 to 12. What is the probability come 8 or higher? So Rajesh roll a dice 1 to 12. The probability,
ভাই
yes,
পার্সেন্টেজের অঙ্ক মনে হয় ক্যালকুলেটর ছাড়াই উত্তম বেটার, কারণ পার্সেন্টেজের অঙ্ক টোটালি আপনার ক্যালকুলেটর পাওয়া যায় নাকি, দ্যাট মিনস
okay,
আপনার ক্যালকুলেটর
okay,
যদি আছে তাহলে এটা বেটার।
okay, like this 38 you need to multiply by 20. Let's say 0 0. Okay, then see 2 times multiply by 8. 2 multiply by 8 is 16. 16 1 side sharp. Okay, so 10 6 7. So 7.6. So 7.6, why 2 digit? Here 2 digit, right? Here the 20 is 2 digit. Already 20 is percentage. So we know 100 is 100%. So 2 digit here we add. So 2 digit in front should be decimal point 7.6. So total 8%. Okay. Then Rajesh roll dice 1 to 12. What is the probability come 8 or higher? So 8 or higher. So what's the difference? 12 minus 8. Cross.
No, mean to 8 to 12. How many number? 5 numbers. So the 5 number is left hand side and
8 to 12.
total
Correct.
number.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just need to divide it. Correct. Okay.
Mm.
If we divide it with 5, how many? 10. 2 times. After that 2. যায় না 4 5 20, 4 times, right?
Yes, right.
4 times. So 1 decimal point here, 2.4. Okay, then this question coming. Okay, this question, the car price is 200,000 by 180,000. How many percent discount? Okay, we need to subtraction first these two value, then come in 200,000. This one call what? Not 200,000, 200,000 naki.
How many
1800,000.
is it?
1800, 200,000, 1800,000. Then we need to subtraction first. Then subtraction coming 200,000 multiply with the 100. So we do multiplication. How many percent can say? 2.
এই অঙ্কটার ভিতরে কি দিব ক্যালকুলেটর দিব?
হ্যাঁ, ক্যালকুলেটর আছে, ওকে। এই অঙ্কটা আপনার অ্যাজ ইউজুয়াল 10% আসে, ঠিক আছে? এই অঙ্কটা আসে, এই অঙ্কটা জাস্ট আপনার মনে রাখবেন, এত ক্যালকুলেটর মনে রাখার দরকার নাই। এক্স্যাক্টলি সেম অঙ্কটা আসে, কার প্রাইস এভাবে 200,000 and 118,000 থাকে। এটা আসলে পরে শুধু আপনার 10% লেখা দিবেন, ঠিক আছে? 10%। এখানে আমার এই কোয়ান্টিটি লেখার ভুল হয়েছে, এই জন্য 10% বাইরে হইতেছে না, ঠিক আছে? এই এক্স্যাক্টলি এই অঙ্কটা আসে, ঠিক আছে? এক্স্যাক্টলি
কিন্তু ডিজিট চেঞ্জ হয় নাকি?
no, exactly same, 10%. Okay. One company, 10 male and 8 female, how many percent will be choose for the lottery? One female already selected. What is the chance of the male to get lottery? So male is 10%, male 10%.
ভাই এই এই সরি ভাই, এই প্রশ্নটা আসছিল আমি গত বাজে দিছিলাম।
Okay, bye. I let you explain again. Here all question come in 2025. Okay, all question. So you focus on this. Every question you might be facing. Okay. So 10% asking for the 10%. So this collection from all of you, because you people upload inside the group, right? See, this question I facing, this question I facing. So I note down from there. So I make the here the list to one by one for explanation. Okay. So divided by 70. So this one manually can do, this one, but division they cannot do, manual cannot do. If don't have calculator, this one difficult to do manual. Anybody idea to do this one manual?
Question.
This one 10 by 70. This question.
Yeah, can
explain.
okay. 10 one time go on 17, right? So you upside you're writing 1, downside writing 1. So 17. So we have balance 7, right? So we take 1 0. So before 1 we need, after 1 we need to put 1 0. Yeah, the point 7 time, yeah. So 1.7.
Answer is coming 58.82, right?
Yeah.
10 divided by 0.70.
No, because
58.82 আসে answer.
এর একটু কথা আছে ইকবাল ভাই,
হ্যাঁ।
আপনি এই অ্যান্সার কি আপনি শিওর যে এই অ্যান্সার হইব?
আপনার কোশ্চেনটা দেখেন, হ্যাঁ, আপনার মেল হয়েছে একটা কোম্পানিতে 10 মেল and 8 female, so total is 18, right?
18,
Yeah.
right?
Total
18.
18. So quantity থেকে
Okay.
total 18, all one female already selected, so 17.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we get the number of 17, correct? Now we have
Okay.
male.
Hmm.
Correct. Now we have the 10 male, asking for the 10 male. So 10 male have to chance, need to go competition with the 17, including female. Correct?
Okay.
Okay. So this question, what do you think? Put only 17 or 0.17?
Okay.
আপনি
What
0.17 দিলে
chance
পরে
of
আপনার
the
মাল্টিপ্লাই করা
male
লাগে 100
is-
দিয়ে, তারপরে আপনি 58.82 আসে।
Okay. So which one you prefer? The correct answer.
Come again, explain.
Okay. So my question is, which one you prefer to come? Is 10 0.7 divided by 0.17 or 10 divided by 17?
0.17 divided by.
Okay, which one you can find out?
I can't catch out. But
Yeah, the concept is like that. So one company have 10 men and 8 women, right? So one person already, one woman already win. So there is balance only 17%. So 17 meaning what? This is the total quantity is the 17. So
Total
out
percent.
of 17, yeah, total percent. So out of 17, so we let's say we break down 17 is equal to like 100% lah. So if the 17 out of 17 is there, the 10% is men. So how many percent is the coming lah? So 10 divided by 0.117 is like the formula lah, right? By
Yes, correct. Okay, don't be doubt. I telling you, this is difficult to you finding out. You need to be 1% value come out first. After that, multiply by 100, then come in
100, right?
5.88. So I did shortcut. If you lucky person, you have the calculator. So you do have calculator. You do this way only 0.17. So you need you can skip the one portion. You skip the one portion, meaning to say 1% below. 1% below you find out fast. After that you do correct. Let's say example 17 divided by 100. Not like this. হ্যাঁ, কে জানি কি বলতেছিলেন?
Okay. So here the question is one company
something
Okay.
louder.
close for lottery. One will already select.
Okay. Here no point to you. Okay, you no point to read the question. Talking whatever solution you have.
Yeah, so
We know already question. Yes.
but one person already got the lottery. Balance of 17%, right?
Mithun bhai, something louder.
Okay, this answer is wrong. This answer is wrong.
wrong because here asking for percentage, right? That's why 10 multiplication by 100 divided by 17 is total how many balance have they haven't get
by my network problem, by your network problem. Once you come back to the network, the what the good network connection, you again you voice up, then I will come back here. Okay, this question come in: on machine produce 240 parts in 8 hours, another machine produce 180 parts in 6 hours. If both machine work together, how many parts can produce in 5 hours? So machine produce is, we divided by 240 divided by 8, we can get 30 parts. Then also this one also divided with the 6, we can get 30 parts. So total is 60 parts. So we get the 60 parts. The how many, ask question asking the how many parts the products produce in 5 hours. So multiply 60 multiply with 5 is 300 parts. Okay, then this question come in: 97% yearly report to various total 500 randomly check every 5% effect, then how many percent affected? So 95% patient yearly report for virus, total 500 from the total 500. So asking check every 5 randomly check 5%, how many percent affected? So these are 97 divided by 500. So multiply by 100. So this question have calculator. If calculator don't have, also you can remember 19.4 is answer. So no need to wasting time. So 19.4 is answer.
But only can same digit.
Yes, you can memorize the same digit and answer. Okay, here question say two people play a dice 6 times. One person get 5, 6 and 5, and second person get 6 and 3 times. Then how many? Then the compare two person, how many percent difference? So asking for the difference. If we 5 and 6 we divided, simply we divided. This one if don't have calculator, difficult to find answer. Okay, so sorry, 5 and 6. 5 divided by 6. So this one come in one part, then also another part come in, then together have the subtraction 83, 83 and 50. So together 0.83. Okay, correct. Another is 53. 3 divided by 6. 50% plus 83.33. Something wrong. Oh, sorry. Okay, here do all. Here already did the subtraction. Okay, two together. So subtraction after 33%. This one have the calculator. So you know you just need to divide it. After that comparing, then whatever the value coming, that's the answer. Okay, this question coming, the find the length of hypotenuse right triangle, those who have the length 2.3 and 2.1, the hypotenuse. So what should you do? You do the 2.3 square and plus 2.1 square. So total together coming is 9.7. 9.7 is root over square is 3.1. Okay, let's say I show you here 2.3 multiplied by 2.3. So 5.29, huh? 5.29 and then 2.1. 2.1 multiply 2.1. So 4.41. 4.41 equals plus 5.29, 9.7. So 9.7 root over square is 3.11, 3.11. So this is the answer. So this question come in, remember, asking hypotenuse 2.3, 2.1. If you don't have the calculator, also no problem. You do the below the do the how to say, you do the multiplication 23, 23, you do the multiplication, then 21, 21, you do the multiplication. So a square value you may get the square value. So once you get the square value, together add up, addition done. After that you do the root over square. So root over square value is difficult to find sometimes. 3 times 3 say 9, 9 or 3 times 3. So 3 you find out. 7 bit tricky. Okay, so better you remember 9.7 root over value is 3.11. Then this question asking, we actually 20% only go, still we have the 80% note. All question are coming. Okay, a flight from the Singapore 8:45, here is 11:50, 30 minutes delay. What is the total time? So sample la easy question I know need to explain. Bit tricky, a bit difficult, I will talk. Okay, so easy question I not go for the details, only the bit tricky question I only talking about this. You buy the 30 meter of fence, what will be measure your garden?
সরি ভাই,
yes,
সরি, হাইপোটোনাসিসের অর্থ কি বাংলা?
কোন
জি ভাই, ভাই সরি, ওই যে
কোন?
না, ওইটা ওই যে ওই প্রিভিয়াস কোশ্চেনে যায়, ইউ গো টু প্রিভিয়াস কোশ্চেন এন্ড অন ড্র দ্য হাইপোটেনাস, হুইচ ওয়ান ইজ দ্য হাইপোটেনাস, দেন দ্য very easy to remember. Yes, right. No,
Okay,
this by
now this
no hypotenuse. No. Hypotenuse. ওই আপনার কোনটা ওই যে বরাবর, হ্যাঁ এটা বরাবর দিয়ে দেন, রাইট? ইয়েস, রাইট। দে আস্কিং দ্য হাইপোটেনাস, এই জায়গায় একটা দিয়ে দেন, প্রশ্নবোধক চিহ্ন। হোয়াট?
hypotenuse should be like this, have, right?
ইয়া, রাইট।
ও, তার মানে 90 ডিগ্রি কোণ।
Correct.
জি, যে বড় অংশটা আর কি, ওইটা হাইপোটেনাস আর কি, বড় অংশটা।
Okay,
হারাহারি ভাবে দেখুন।
bye.
ছোট অংশ কি অন্য নাম আছে নাকি?
Okay, bye. You know the some words meaning. You might be yourself also, you study can learn, no problem. But for me, I discussed the very important question here. Every question you will be facing on exam. Okay, so if I cannot finish, meaning to say you miss out something important. Okay, you buy 30 meter of the fence, what will be the measure of your garden? So you buy the 30 meter fence, asking for the, we buy the 30 meter of fence, what will be measure of your garden? So what should you do? A length times width. So 30 divided by 4, 30 divided by 4 is 7.5. So garden asking for the fence. The fence should be length times width, area, length times width, 7.5 times 7.5, so 56. Exactly same question as sometimes we cannot get the what asking inside the question. Okay, 56 square meter, 56.25. Okay, so the Luna go 27 kilometer of 20 minutes. What is the average speed in the per minutes? Okay, here we using very simple this formula, you can remember, easy for you answer. Okay, d s t. So when asking for the distance, should be multiplication. How to multiplication? Asking distance equals speed multiply the time. Okay, when asking the speed division, so speed equals distance divided time. Okay, when asking the time, so time equals distance divided by speed. So this is the formula. So here the same thing I mentioned, asking for the speed. So speed asking meaning to distance and time divided. So here
That means only
distance,
distance
the distance.
equal.
Let me finish. You understand better on. Listen the distance, then listen the time. So based on my explanation is here. So divide it, right? So 27 divided by 20, so 1.3. Okay, here anything any okay, now can talk. Okay, I done. Okay, now I let you flow to talk.
Okay. Just
brother,
only we need to remember distance equal speed into time. Other one division, right?
Yes,
Other
correct. In DST formula, you just remember this DST formula. Any kind of the DST question coming, easy to answer. But problem is what, the question so tricky, so tricky. Asking the question is many different way. So sometimes we can get what actually asking inside the question. All right.
yes, bro. These questions I face, they asking speed is per hour, but they give in 20 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, so just you have to follow this formula. Then you need to understand. Okay, which formula you should apply.
No. He says like the question is now here is asking per minute how what is the average speed is per minute. So he said no coming per minute per hour, right? By
Yes, correct.
Same.
so the thing is similar. So
This
the we know that the 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes lah. So let's say if we understand 20 minutes, how many? Let's say if we average 1 minute, so into divide multiplication by 60, then your answer should be right coming at I think 81.
Yeah, 81. I don't know if that time I calculation I got 81.33. Then I
No,
also
81. I got three because
81.33.
20. Okay,
How do I
27 times
calculate? I
three.
also huh?
27 times 3. So that's a normal calculation. 27 plus 27 plus 27. So is the 81. No need to use the calculator also.
No, sir, I don't know how to calculate that. I got 81.33.
No. Maybe you press some wrong button lah. Maybe. Otherwise,
Maybe.
the 27 is let's say 20 minutes, right? Then 40 minutes go how many? 54. 54 plus 27, 81. Is that
Yeah,
times 3, right?
yeah.
Go ahead, Iqbal bhai.
Okay, but thanks.
okay. This question I facing this question. Okay, so this question asking also a bit tricky lah. This question asking a cylinder type tank is circumference is 74. What is the diameter? Question asking the diameter. So they are showing the 74 divided by perimeter. 74 divided by what? I also forget it.
No, bhai. I said we need to go formula first. You're writing the formula.
Okay.
The a cylinder type of circumference, meaning these are 2 pi. The formula is
Times
2 pi r.
pi
R. Mm, R. Okay. Now let's say we diameter. We need to find the diameter already given. So we 2 pi is equal to how many? 6.28, right? Yeah.
Okay, let me
Two, okay, 3.14,
3.14.
28. Okay, so we multiplication by 74. Sorry, no, divided by
Divided by
74.
74. No,
Okay, no,
74
74 divided
divided
by
by just now coming how
6.18. 6.18.
6.18, right?
18. Okay. So
28,
6
28.
by see it's a 28 by 28 by, yeah.
74 divided by
28.
6.28.
Yes,
Correct.
right.
Okay, so
So
multiply by 2.
no, that's we one by one. Yes, right. Because the diameter is equal to r square. The diameter formula is 2r is equal to diameter. So 1r we already find it is, so we need to 2r, mean we need to get the diameter is 23.56. Yeah.
Multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. Okay, just I
Yeah.
forget. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, the
No,
next.
just let's say Iqbal bhai, okay, just we give some time because you forget. So the equation I say, if we want to finding, let's say formula they given 2 pi r square. What is the meaning of 2 pi r? 2 pi r meaning is 3.14 into 2, right? So when we want already they given the total value. So when they given the total value, we need to divide it. I mean, we need to divide it, because when they're asking the single component, then we need to go multiplication. So multiplication get more. So we need to reduce now. So we need to do the division here. I mean the concept is like that.
Okay, so uh, when asking for the circumference of diameter, we need to division, correct?
Yes, right.
Okay, so can go the next question. Okay, this question coming. This question always coming. The difference, the showing the difference, the population. That's a population in Singapore 574524 is there is very every 11 month uh, the manage is over. Okay, the population is Singapore 57,400. Oh, 5.
No, 5,74,524.
Okay, so if there is every 11 month, actually that manage not manage is month. Okay. Okay, every 11 month is
No,
over.
man হবে, man by
Man,
month হবে না, man
man.
person আর কি, person.
Yes, correct, man. Okay. Okay, every 11 man is over 64. How many of the population in more than 65? Just have to do the division. Okay, division. 11 division is this population. So answer coming. Okay, out of 17 tickets. Out of 17 tickets is 5.88. So 5.88. Addition, if I know wrong, have the calculator. Okay, 100 divided by 70. So 5.88. If you do the manual if you do in 70, 100. So how many times go? 5.
5 times
5 times 30.
85 by 85.
85.
517 হচ্ছে 85,
Okay.
517 85, right?
Okay, 85. Okay, so 585. So remainder 15. Remainder is 15. No. Okay, 17. How many times go? Difficult. Manual is difficult.
No,
Okay.
no difficult bhai. Now 17, 15 cannot go, so we take 1 point here. After 5 we take 1 point, and here take on 0. So meaning we balance is 150.
Okay, 150.
Right?
150. 17. How
So
much?
let's say 115, 17. So 17 into 8.
17.
So the 136. 136. Below 136, upside is 8.
Okay, 136.
36.
Correct.
Yes, right.
So
Yes, right. Division.
40, 50 is 14.
Oh,
14.
so we take one more zero. Yeah.
Okay, so
So again 136.
okay, and oh, like this came ready. Okay,
Mm.
so diameter 36,
4.
4.
So already we get the previously also we get the 4 and coming 36. So this is the undefined it. So is the answer is 50
5.80.
5.88.
Okay, nice for the manual. I thought this one I cannot do manual already. Okay,
No, Rakesh, manual very easy. I mean,
okay.
take little bit of time.
This question frequently coming for the this. One garden apply 10 ml of the fertilizer 2 times a daily for 52 days. Each bottle containing 1 liter. How many bottle need? Actually asking for the how many bottle. So daily using 220 ml. So weekly using 140 ml. So total week multiply to 140 ml is weekly. So multiply by 52 weeks. So 7.280 total coming. So total 8 bottle. 8 bottle need for the fertilizer. Okay. So the next question asking for the GMT. Okay. GMT, any type of the question coming GMT. I just explain here. Okay. Before you start the assessment, you have the one of the white paper in front of your table. Okay. So you do like this on the data, make the data for easy calculation. Easy calculation. So this one whole the thing you need to do before start the exam. Okay. So before, so yourself you can start the exam. So yourself you don't rush, you just do something. You can do like this, you can do the DST, the formula dimension you can make. Okay, DST shape. So like this. So let's say this side is positive and this side is negative. So you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I add up one more 10. Okay, here is positive 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 8, 9, and 10. Then now you can asking about the GMT question. Okay, now you can asking the question. Okay, this one the positive, this GMT, we live in Singapore, so this GMT is positive here, positive 1 to 10, and negative is 1 to 10. So now asking the question. Okay, let's say the Singapore GMT example, not accurate for the understanding. Okay, ওকে মহসিন ভাই কিছু বলতেছেন?
Yeah, yeah, right. Sorry. আমি একটু পানি নিতেছিলাম তো এই জন্য অফিস আছে। Sorry, it's okay.
Okay, if question asking say Singapore time, Singapore GMT, Singapore 8 o'clock,
Mhm.
GMT
Mhm.
plus 10. Okay, GMT plus 10.
Okay.
Then now
Okay.
want to go meeting. Okay, want to meeting Singapore time. Singapore time want to uh, how to say Los Angeles have meeting 5 o'clock. Los Angeles 5
Okay.
o'clock meeting আছে। তো
Okay.
এই ক্ষেত্রে 5 o'clock কিভাবে আমরা বের করব? লস অ্যাঞ্জেলেসে
তাহলে লস অ্যাঞ্জেলেসের যে সিঙ্গাপুর তো জিএমটি প্লাস প্লাস 10, তাহলে লস অ্যাঞ্জেলেসের জিএমটি কত? How much the Los Angeles GMT?
লস অ্যাঞ্জেলেস GMT
Yeah, we need to understand the GMT because both end GMT we need to know first. Then we only can understand the local time.
Okay, there is GMT. Let's say there is GMT Los Angeles. GMT is +7, +7.
+7.
Yes.
Okay. You say +7, right? Okay, so 2 is all there. Is the Singapore is plus 10. Los Angeles is +7. So there is a time difference. How many? Both also positive signs. So plus. So there is like the 3 hour difference between Los Angeles and Singapore, because this both also is like plus. So after let's say 7 o'clock, let's say this one also plus, the Singapore also plus, Los Angeles also plus. So both also is the plus concept. There is a 3 hour difference.
3 hour difference.
If you say minus, okay, if you say minus, then we need to this the okay, like you another value you say there is a 3 hour difference between Singapore and Los Angeles.
Okay, hold on. I need to charge my laptop. Okay, আপনাদের ভিতরে ডিসকাশন করেন একটু, ঠিক আছে? আমি ল্যাপটপে লো ব্যাটারি
আচ্ছা, আপনি যে কোনো একটা ভাই আপনাদের অডিয়েন্স you can set on a question, then you can say something like, then I can give you solution about it.
ওকে মহসিন ভাই, ধরেন
Yeah, okay.
এই জায়গার ভিতরে যেমন এই যে আছে না +10 আওয়ার্স দিছে না জিএমটি। ওকে, এই জায়গার ভিতরে ধরেন আমি এদিকে লস অ্যাঞ্জেলেসে দিছে না 5 দিছে না, আমি 5 এর জায়গায় ধরেন আমি 11 দিলাম, আর ইয়াতে দিলাম 7 আওয়ার্স।
Okay, এখানে কি +7 হবে নাকি -7 হবে?
-7
ওকে, -7। আর ওখানে হইছে +10 নাকি ওখানে কত?
+10। ওকে
Okay, +10. So okay, let's say you say the Los Angeles local time, I mean local time, okay. You say -7 plus the Singapore is the +7. So these two is need to plus. So 7 plus 10 is equal to 17 hour difference between these two countries. So because this one is the -7 is minus, then this one is plus Singapore. So there is the difference between Singapore and Los Angeles is 17 hour. So if you say the one country you need to give the local time, then we can take other countries. So you give time. I mean, let's say
লন্ডন
already you.
লন্ডন
Okay.
লন্ডন
No. Same. Let's say okay. The question is like that. Your boss want to meeting with the client. There is Los Angeles -7
ওকে
is -7 is Los Angeles -7 is 1 p.m. So already give the -7 is the international time, and the local time is 1 p.m.
Okay.
Then Singapore is GMT plus
Okay,
10.
I'm here already.
What is the Singapore time?
Okay, আপনার কোশ্চেনটা কি বলেন?
Right?
কোশ্চেনটা বলেন। ওকে, আমরা এই জায়গায়
ওই
এক্স্যাক্টলি কোশ্চেনটা
না
বলতেছি
উনি
না, কিন্তু ফর্মুলাটা আমরা কিপ রাখলাম। নেক্সট আমরা
না
এক্সপ্রেশন
ভাই
যখন
এক্স্যাক্টলি কোশ্চেনটা আমি দিতে আছি ভাই, ওই যে আমি তো exactly question exactly question is
ওকে
like
ভাই, মহসিন ভাই সমস্যা নাই, এক্স্যাক্টলি কোশ্চেন দরকার নাই। এ জায়গা ম্যাক্সিমাম লোকে আপনার পরীক্ষা দিয়েছে কি 1 বার 2 বার 3 বার করে দিছে। এখন তাগর জিগাইলে মনে করেন কি কোশ্চেনটা ফেসিং হইছে, তাইলে মনে করেন কেউ আনসার দিতে পারো।
okay exactly
আর যদি
কোশ্চেনটা আমি কই
কেউ
ইকবাল
যদি
ভাই,
জিএমটি কোশ্চেন ফেসিং হয়ে থাকে তাহলে সংখ্যাটা বলতে পারে।
GMT সংখ্যাটা হইছে আপনার -7 আর ওই সিঙ্গাপুর হইছে +8. So if Singapore time is morning 10 a.m.
let me explain. Okay, if asking the question, okay, Singapore +10 if asking, so starting from here, the what time? Okay, say the GMT +8 and Singapore 8 o'clock start from here, so we go back to behind, count the below point, then can we find here the positive 1 to 10, we can find the answer here, easy. So that's why this diagram. Okay, so we enough ready. Hopefully, if no understand anybody is regarding the GMT, you can find the short video having said that YouTube channel. Okay, this question coming now, what is the perimeter of triangle? This question coming is the 4 multiple choice. Okay, What is the perimeter of triangle? So when asking for the perimeter of triangle is applying the Pythagorean formula. So 10 multiplied by 10 is 100, is 5 multiplied by 125. So 125 root over a square, 125 root over a square, 125 root over a square, 11.18. So 11.18 plus 5 plus 10, so 26.18. Answer should be this one. Okay. This question already discussed, but this question always come in frequently. This question come in, okay, a flight leave the airport is 23 hours. Okay, very simple. This
No,
is the,
Iqbal bhai, sorry.
let me finish.
Iqbal bhai,
This is the note. Okay, if I hope you everybody understand, just you later on you can discuss, find out yourself also. Okay ভাই, কি বলছিলেন জানি বলেন।
the top question is not same, because top question you can go 0.48. The question actually this one will not try 0.5 or 20%. Discuss how much the save, right?
Okay, yes, correct.
So right, so previously we know face this question, that's why we need to discuss about this.
Okay, this question when the formula is when asking for how much save, always multiplication, so you do multiplication, you may get the answer. Okay, so multiplication very easy, 105, you do the top and below is do the multiplication.
ইকবাল ভাই আপনার মাইক্রোফোনে সমস্যা করতেছে, কথা বুঝা